guys, welcome back to Kylie's Food Reviews. Today I've got a delicious set of a multi-plate dinner. Let me show you it now. Here is my dinner. We have boiled eggs, satay chicken, sausage rolls, some sweet chilli sauce, some coleslaw, some cucumber, some lettuce, and some delicious tomato pasta with some sweet corn and other things in it. So now it's time to try it. I don't know what the other vegetables are. Oh. Now, let's try some. I'm going to have my fork. Let's first try the coleslaw. We'll mix it with a bit of egg, as we see here. And let's go. Coleslaw was a nice, cold, tasty mayonnaise food mixed with the egg was fabulous. The egg wasn't too hard, it wasn't too runny, it was perfect. Perfectly good boiled egg. Now, what I'm going to do is we're going to grab our sweet chili sauce. We're going to dip our satay chicken in it. We're going to eat it. Chili sauce is not very sweet, but very nice and spicy. Not normally, but still a great flavour. Now, I'm going to try it out. Is going to eat the sausage roll. It is from Co-op, so I do not know how good it is. Normal one I get is from Tesco, so let's see. That guys was an absolute fabulous sausage roll. It was nice and cold because this was from the fridge section. The sausage was nice. The overall pastry was good. Everything was really good. Now let's try a bit of the salad with some of the egg, because I want to try it with some lettuce, some cucumber, and a bit of egg. And that goes well together. So let's try that. Now guys, now that was fabulous. The egg gave such an amazing flavour to the lettuce cucumber. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to try some of the pasta. And we've got to get a nice, good, chunky bit of that pasta. Let's try it. Like a barbecue chicken-like sauce was delicious. And how would it try with a bit of cucumber? Oh, I'm going to try grab a piece. Jesus, I'm going to grab some pasta. It's a bit hard. Let's try it. Delicious. Now, I've got to say one more thing we're trying. Is this Oasis? Now, I don't know if this is a universal thing. We find out a lot in the UK. It's a nice summer fruits flavour drink. It's a refreshing type of like squash juice. It's extremely good. I thought nice and fruity, tasty, extremely good. Would recommend. Now, sorry guys, that'll be the end of the video, so I will see you guys next time for an amazing video. Bye.